Yeah, so stevia is fine. Baking with stevia is a little bit difficult. I really like to use, my favorite is called Just Like Sugar. They even have brown sugar options, but they have baking sugar. Another great sweetener for baking is Swerve, which has got erythritol. Some people definitely react to erythritol with increased bowel movements, sometimes a little cramping. The thing I like about Just Like Sugar, it's primarily inulin, which is really one of the best prebiotic fibers there is. So either one of those interchangeably are better choices than just stevia for baking.